students. Today we are going to take the more information about optimal choice of the consumer. Optimal means best choice of the consumer. Students, we know that an indifference curve and budget line are very important concepts for utility maximization. An indifference curve describes the choice and priority of the consumer means we will understood in indifference curve consumer will choose his level of satisfaction that he looking for, and in budget line we understood spending capacity of the consumer. We also assume that all the consumers in the world are rational in nature. Rational means the consumer knows what is good and what is bad for him, and he always tries to achieve best for himself. So, to maximize the utility or satisfaction, we have to combine the indifference curves with the budget line. Why? To determine the combination of goods. Means we choose the optimum point. Then what is optimum point? Optimum point means it is the point at which the budget line just touches one of the indifference curve would be the optimum. There are some assumptions of the consumer equilibrium under the indifference curve analysis. First one, income of the consumer is given. Second one, consumer is rational, means he knows what is good and what is bad for him, and he wants to maximize his satisfaction from his limited income. Third one, prices of the goods and services are constant, means the prices of the goods and services are not changed. Next, consumer is aware of the indifference map, means he knows about the indifference map. All goods are homogeneous. Homogeneous means all goods are the same or similar. Then next one, the condition for satisfaction is if combination A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then A is greater than C. So these all are the assumptions for the consumer equilibrium. Students, we will explain the consumer's equilibrium with the help of diagram. See here, this is the diagram of the consumer's equilibrium. In the diagram, on the OX axis, we represent the units of the X commodity, and on the OY axis, we represent the units of the Y commodity. If we observe this diagram, we will come to know there are the four indifference curve: IC1, IC2, IC3 and IC4. Here PQ is the budget line, or we may call it the price line. In the diagram, there are the so many points are there, means A, B, C, D, E. Then from A to D, which point is optimal or which point is the utility maximizing. Is the point B is optimal? Means it is the best for the consumer's equilibrium? No, because A is better than the B. And if we observe, we will come to know A point is on a higher indifference curve. Here, consumer has to choose A because it is on the budget line, and we know that higher indifference curve gives the higher level of satisfaction. Then point C is optimal? No, because B and C, these points are on the same indifference curve. Therefore, B is as good as C. However, A is better than the B, and so the A must be better than the C. So here C point is not optimal to the consumer. Then is the point D is optimal? No, it is true. D is on the higher indifference curve. Therefore, D produces the higher level of the satisfaction or higher level of the utility. But if we observe, we will come to know D point lies outside of the budget line. See here, D point lies outside of the budget line. So, D point is not optimal. Then, is the point A is optimal to the consumer? Yes, because A point only, see here, because A point only touches to the budget line, and A is the only combination that gives the maximum utility or maximum satisfaction, and all other the points means B, C, E and D, these all other the points that lie on or below the budget line, and which gives higher or lower satisfaction or utility to the consumer. So here point A has an interesting property. All that point, budget line and indifference curve have exactly the same slope. See here, A point has an interesting property because at that point budget line and indifference curve have exactly slope. Thus, we can say that the consumer is equilibrium position when price line or budget line is touches to the indifference curve. So students, this is all about the optimal choice of the consumer. Thank you.